If you recently received an email or a letter about a massive healthcare antitrust lawsuit, and you're wondering whether the unexpected message in your inbox is a scam or a legitimate notification, you are certainly not alone. Millions of everyday citizens across the nation have been asking the exact same question over the past few weeks. The short answer is that the notification is incredibly real, and the long-awaited distribution process has officially begun. After more than a decade of intense legal battles in federal courts, a multi-billion-dollar antitrust lawsuit involving one of the largest health insurance providers in the United States has finally reached the payout phase. The lawsuit originally alleged that the massive healthcare federation illegally divided the country into exclusive geographic service areas, completely stifling competition and forcing everyday consumers to pay artificially inflated premiums for their coverage. Because the courts ultimately approved the colossal settlement agreement, the company was required to distribute billions of dollars back to the affected policyholders. If you were enrolled in one of their applicable health plans during the specified 12-year eligibility window, and you took the time to formally submit your claim before the strict deadline closed several years ago, you are now legally entitled to receive your portion of the funds. The administrators managing distribution are currently rolling out payments on a massive scale, sending money directly to approved claimants through paper checks, prepaid debit cards, and popular digital payment platforms. Because the distribution timeline happens on a rolling basis, some people will see their funds arrive immediately, while others might need to wait a few additional weeks before their specific payment clears. It is absolutely crucial to understand that if you fail to submit your official claim before the final cutoff date passed, you are unfortunately completely locked out of this specific distribution round and cannot request a new claim now. This unprecedented financial restitution represents a monumental shift for consumer protection and corporate accountability today. While the initial shock of receiving a sudden financial windfall might seem overwhelming at first glance, the actual process of verifying your payment status is remarkably straightforward and requires minimal effort from your side. If you are extremely concerned about potential digital fraud or widespread phishing scams stealing your personal information, there are several completely foolproof methods you can actively use right now to carefully verify every single detail. First, you should absolutely avoid clicking on random suspicious links embedded inside unsolicited text messages and instead navigate directly to the officially authorized web portal managed by the court-appointed settlement administrator. Once you arrive at the legitimate website, you can securely input your unique claimant identification code to instantly track the precise status of your allocated funds without compromising your private data. Thousands of verified recipients have already reported successfully depositing their digital transfers directly into their primary bank accounts, demonstrating that the massive distribution system is indeed functioning smoothly across the entire nation. It is also incredibly important to remember that the final amount you receive will vary significantly depending upon the specific type of health insurance coverage you maintained and the total duration of your active enrollment during the designated eligibility timeframe. Many individuals are seeing average direct deposits hovering around $330, but some families with extensive coverage histories might legitimately receive significantly higher monetary amounts depending on their approved class action tier. Because the underlying antitrust litigation sought to directly compensate everyday policyholders for years of aggressively overpriced premiums, this final resolution effectively returns those overcharged funds directly back into the pockets of hardworking citizens who rightfully deserve them. As the payment rollout steadily continues progressing throughout the upcoming summer months, you should remain continually vigilant regarding your incoming mail and digital accounts. Keep a close eye on your primary inbox and physical mailbox because your highly anticipated financial compensation could very well be arriving any minute now. So please stay completely alert today and always verify.